If you don't seem to be holding on to any type of relationship, figure out what's the shadow aspect of you that keeps creating these cycles. Change those behaviors. Change the mindset around those behaviors. Start thinking more positively. You're worthy of that. You're worthy of creating the life that you want. And right now, the energy is so prime for supporting you in the decisions and the choices that you are signaling out to the universe that you're making. You want to make sure that you're in alignment with that. You want to make sure that even if you're afraid of losing a relationship, losing a connection, even if you're afraid of losing respect from certain people, I had to learn the hard way. Not everybody's going to like you, and that's okay. You have a certain type of knowledge, light to yourself that you're here to share if you resonate with this message. And you can't do so if you're constantly letting other people's energy affect you. You have to remember your own magnetic field. You have to remember your own Merkaba field. You always have to call back your energy, cleanse it, and focus on the things that brings you joy. It's not gonna be easy, but you definitely need to work at it. It's not something that you just do today and then forget about it. It's a daily thing. Journal, affirm, declare if you need to every single day, every morning, and every time you go to bed, especially before you go to bed, because that's when your subconscious mind is gonna be even more active in what you've been running throughout the day. The last message that you want to send your conscious mind is something that is in alignment for your highest good. So even if you need to meditate, cleanse your mind, affirm, declare certain things that you want to experience in your life, even if it means to release people that no longer serve you, to release habits and thoughts that no longer serve you, you're worth that. And little by little, things will change. You start to see a new opportunity starts to present itself, or maybe a repetitive cycle or opportunity repeats itself, right? Shows up to repeat itself, so that you can do something different. Okay, before I acted like this. Now let me act like this. Let me try to be emotionally detached and just realize that this is a contract between me and this person. What is this situation teaching me? What do I need to do better? What do I get to learn from this experience? What is it teaching me at this moment? I don't need to be upset at the person. I get to learn the lesson. Do something different or evolve. You deserve that. Protect your energy at all costs. It could really literally mean life or death, either a slow one or a quick one. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.